Hey everyone, welcome to the closing remarks of the DSC Women in Tech Conference. We're super excited to have you here. Before we start, some general rules are to mute your mic and rename yourself to your full name or the name that you registered with on your event ticket. As well, we invite you to join us in turning on your video if you're comfortable, and you can also engage with us in the chat. Do note that this session is being recorded, so if you'd like to ask a question through a video or mic, just simply raise up your hand using the tab at the bottom. Otherwise, just leave your questions in the chat and our moderators can help along in answering them. So as we're going into day 2 of the conference, we want to remind you that we have our website. So this is an easy way to join the various calls we have at the event, as well even connect with all the speakers. So under schedule, you'll be able to join the various events by clicking the click to join event link under each of the title, and use the link below to access the website, but it will also be pasted in chat if you need it for future reference. So as well, after listening to all the different speakers and panelists we had today, we invite you to connect with them on their social media links. You can check their profile out on our website. Just click read more under each of their profiles as shown in the circle. Then this will open their bios and even their social media links at the top to stay in touch. Reach out to them, say that you were from the conference and share how amazing their talk was to you. They had a lot of fun joining us today, and I really want to appreciate them more and send them to you guys to also connect with them as well. Now let's showcase what is happening tomorrow. So we have workshops happening tomorrow around web development in React and Firebase and using databases with your applications. So they're led by various developer student clubs, and this is a great way to grow your skills, and it can be very useful for the tech challenge. So you can learn more about the workshops on our website as well and their various times. Next, we're also hosting a games and networking night to chill out and just meet the community. So the games are up to you, but the ones shown above are just some of the type of games we might play. The link to join the call will also be on our website, and reminder that it's at 2 p.m. tomorrow. So as well, we're hosting one-on-one office hours at 12 p.m. EST and 4 p.m. EST. So this is just for the tech challenge to come validate your solution and ask any questions that you may have before submitting. And the links will also be on our website. Now I'm going to pass it on to Ray to talk more about the tech challenge.
Hi, everyone. So now to announce the tech challenge. So we did announce it at the beginning of the day, but we're going to announce it again to make sure that you all know what it's about. So this is an exciting opportunity to win some Google Swag and catch prizes while learning and applying design and coding skills into an applications. Some quick rules is that you can work in teams of 1 to 4 students, and that when submitting, you must make a 1-minute video demo and send the link to your project repo and designs as well. A note is that it's all due tomorrow by 6:30 p.m. EST, which is Toronto time. Okay. Okay, so the goal of the challenge is for you to design the iPhones page on Apple's website and make it more elderly friendly. There are many reasons why so many older adults with deteriorating vision and dexterity say they struggle to navigate the internet. The following issue became prominent as the pandemic forced more people to take their businesses online more than ever before. Therefore, your goal is to analyze Apple's iPhones page and redesign it with a focus on the elderly. So the following is just the iPhone's Apple page. I just wanted you guys to know what it looks like, although the link will be on the document that will be available to you guys on our website, and with everything, the tips, the steps, and everything that is about to be shared with you guys right now. Okay, so a few steps we think might help you to tackle the tech challenge is to first research what problems elderly people face when browsing the internet. The second one is to analyze Apple's page and find out what are the different elements and structures that might be hard for seniors to navigate through. The third one is, based on your research, redesign the pages as you see fit, to accommodate for seniors' needs and troubles. This could be high fidelity or low fidelity depending on your skills. If you're really good at doing Adobe XD, And working with Sketch, you can choose to just focus on your designs. But if you just want to sketch through on paper or on your iPad, you could do that as well, whatever you see fit. Finally, using whichever tools and languages you prefer, build the page you've just redesigned. So if you just know HTML and CSS, there's a lot you can do with that. If you're familiar with JavaScript, feel free. If you know any framework as well, React, Bootstrap, whatever you think is best for you, you could use. So before you start working on the tech challenge, we want you to know a few things. First, if you don't change a whole section of the page, feel free to screenshot it and put it as an image. So if you've changed nothing of a whole section of the iPhone's page, just screenshot it with your device and put it in. If you want to develop it, feel free. I just thought that might save you guys some time if you haven't changed any of it. The second is to focus mainly on the functionalities you're implementing and less on keeping Apple's aesthetic present. So if you are changing some functionalities, don't feel like you have to change and implement something that would look like it would be off of Apple's website. We're mainly thinking about the user experience here and less about how well you can keep Apple's designs. And finally, for the images and graphics that are present on the page, again, feel free to screenshot them on your devices. I know computers can do that. Or you could use filler images as long as we know what that section is about. So finally, once you're done with the challenge, make sure to submit 2 things. The first one is a link to your repo, your project repo. And then the second thing would be a 1-minute video of you explaining your designs and the reasons behind your decisions. One more time, this is all due tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. We're going to share a link with you guys so that you could submit all of your work at 6. And I see there's a question, but we'll tackle that question right after Chloe.
Yeah, for sure. So just some other notes. Make sure to stay connected on Discord. We're going to be there after this call as well to answer any questions you may have. There will also be sending updates and announcements. So when we release the PDF on our website, so now anyone can access the prompt, we'll let you know. As well, it's a chance for you to search for a team if you haven't done so already. Pitch yourself and even ask any questions you have around the challenge. So it's just shown above again, but the link will be in the chat. So the schedule for tomorrow is as follows. Again, the office hours at 12 and 4. 1 p.m. we have our React and Firebase workshop. At 2, we have our Discord games and networking night. And then at 3, we have our Intro to Databases workshop. Then, of course, the submission opens at 6 and closes at 6:30, and we'll announce the winners after 8. So the rules and information should be updated on our website by tonight, so you'll be able to refer back to that page for all the rules and information for day 2. So we've reached the end of the closing remarks. Thank you again for attending day 1 of the conference. Make sure to join our Discord and ask any questions you have over there as we are heading into day 2. Goodbye, everyone. See you all tomorrow.